Are you looking to take your conferences up to the next level? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to do just that. Hey everybody, what is up? I'm today's host, Matthew, and you're watching Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at the EMEET Conference 360 capsule. This thing has 360-degree video capture. It has all kinds of really awesome features, and they also got a couple of awards for this thing. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do an unboxing and we show you the product and test it out. So let's jump over to Brad.
So this is the EMEET meeting capsule, and it is the Red Dot winner for 2022. So let's get it out of the box and see what we get. Get the plastic ripped open here. Got a nice slide reveal here. We'll slide it this way so we can see. Alright, so the unit itself looks pretty cool. Got a camera right on top, a 360 camera. It's an HD AI 360 degree conference camera. This is pretty nifty. On the side we have our controls, our USB out link, DC 12 volt. On the bottom we can even mount it to a tripod, and it's got a rubber mat here. That's really nice. This is overall pretty cool. The other box will have, I'm sure, all of our cables and everything we need. So on top we have our paperwork, our charging cable, and a USB-C with a USB-C to USB adapter. And then lastly, we have a remote along with batteries. That's great. They give you batteries with the remote. That's awesome. We don't have to get our own. So this is everything you get right out of the box. Let's go get this plugged up and check it out.
This is the EMEET meeting capsule. It's got 360-degree video conference camera technology. And nowadays, with all the different kinds of working and everything, it can take the hybrid working space and make it a lot more mainstream feeling. EMEET is one of the fastest growing high-tech brands. They are the pioneer vendor focusing on video and audio technology, especially in the video conferencing scenario. EMEET meeting capsule is built with a professional appearance and metallic material. It's got a rolling camera and 5 operational modes, drawing tremendous attention from the industry and consumers. And that's exactly why I got the Red Dot Reward in 2022. It's a fantastic achievement. The meeting capsule is as simple as plugging in the power adapter and connecting it to the PC with the USB-C cable included. It has 5 different modes. Collaboration mode, which is a 360-degree panorama capturing 1 to 3 attendees, and it can basically cancel out the panoramic. It has collaboration mode, which is 360-degree panorama. It captures up to 3 attendees at one time. It has speech mode, 360-degree panorama. It captures 1 attendee, and it shows them on the screen via kind of like a remote control. There's classic mode, which can zoom from 60 to 120 to 180 degrees via the remote control, but it has no AI capture. Spotlight mode has a field of view 65-degree angle shot and can adjust the FOV via EMEET link to 60 to 90 degrees, but it has no AI capture as well. And there's also in privacy mode, which is microphone and video turns off. But these 5 modes make an extremely immersive conference experience. The image quality is extremely stable and the sensitivity is very nice. And then the noise cancellation, the audio clips meeting capsule. So this is the technology behind it, where essentially they're just canceling out the noise and cleaning up the sound in the background.
There it goes.
Wow, okay, cool, yeah. Well, that makes sense. We're having a meeting.
A multi-meeting.
Wow, very nice. Great job, EMEET. EMEET, you have made an awesome product. Clearly this is going to take conferencing up to the next level, especially with all the remote workers going on right now and people just being spread out. I used to work for a company, we were in Russia and France and China and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is very cool. But if you guys want to learn more about this product, you can check out our sponsored link in the description below or wherever you're watching. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications if it's there, and let us know in the comments, how are you doing your work right now? Are you remote working? Are you going to the office? Are you using technology like this? Let us know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Later.